So my mom gave me these giant tomatoes, and I have to use them like as soon as possible. And we also have a ton of zucchini growing in our garden. So I gotta use all this stuff before it goes bad, because this stuff goes bad really fast when it's fresh like this. So I wanted to go ahead and make a sauce because I've never done that, and people voted to see that in action. So I'm just gonna fly by the seat of my pants here, and we'll see how it turns out, and I'll let you know. And if it's good, then I'll put the recipe up on the blog. Okay, so I'm gonna throw some zucchini that we already cut up onto my baking sheet with parchment paper, because I really love roasted vegetables, and I just kind of think that roasted tomatoes, garlic and Parmesan and stuff like that will go really well with this. So just throw about a cup of it onto this baking dish. Okay? Alright, so we'll have about a cup, and then we're going to go ahead and just slice up these tomatoes. Okay, and we're just going to kind of cut around the core, because I don't know if you've ever had homegrown tomatoes, like from a garden, but sometimes the skin can be really tough, and the core can be like really aggressive. So we're just going to go ahead and kind of cut around that. I'm going to scoop it out with a spoon. This is a very ill-prepared video. And then we'll just give it a good slicing. Okay, so another thing that I'm going to add, because I think it tastes really good, is a red onion. So I'm just going to go ahead and slice up some of this red onion. And I think I'm going to do slices. We'll just see how it goes. Guys, this is how I cook. So like when you see recipes on Ooh La Lara, I'm kind of just a fly by the seat of my pants type of cook, and I just really cook with ingredients that I know that I like. So like a lot of things can just be omitted if you don't like it. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and slice these up. Doesn't have to be any size special. Okay, so I also have some basil. Mine in our garden died while we were gone over the last week, which is such a bummer. But this just smells very good and very fresh. So I'm just gonna roughly chop some of this to throw on top of the little creation we've got going on. I've got an impatient doggy waiting for me to drop something. I use olive oil spray because it is 0 calories, and I don't like to add calories where I really can't tell the difference. So I'm going to go ahead and spray our sheet. This is what it looks like right now. I have tomatoes on the bottom, and then I kind of catty-cornered other tomatoes, and I put the onions and the zucchini on top so that the flavors would be infused. So now I'm going to go ahead and spray. Generous. Okay, ready? So I have it all sprayed, and then I'm going to just lightly season it. I'm not going to go crazy, so we're just going to take our salt, pinches. I mean, you don't want it too salty because you can always flavor it in the actual pureeing process, I would hope. So I'm going to do some pepper. We're real fancy over here, y'all. Some pepper because Mama likes it. Okay, and then we love some heat, so I'm going to go ahead and add a few flakes of red pepper. Okay, and then I'm also going... Okay, and then I'm going to take just some regular grocery store Parmesan cheese, sprinkle that all on top. Now, I think my preference would have been to have actual cloves of garlic, but I'm kind of doing this on the fly, so I'm just going to drop some garlic where it seems right. And I'm going to use my fingers because I want to space it out a little bit. So I think so far I've used about 2 tablespoons of garlic, right? Okay. And then oven, I am going to take honey for a little bit of sugar, and I'm just going to drizzle that over the top. Just a little bit of sugar goes a long way. All right, y'all. I think it's ready to go in. Okay. I have the oven preheated to 425. I'm going to put this in for an hour for right now and see how it goes. So then I will touch back through the magic of TV, and we'll see you in an hour. Okay guys, so it's been an hour. I am going to get the roasted tomatoes out. It smells amazing. I think my husband is very hungry, but he can't have any of this until tomorrow. Look at those juices have caramelized. I did put in another sheet because I wanted to make enough sauce for our family. Look, you can see all the caramelization. Okay guys, I'm going to just scrape this goodness into my food processor. We'll blend this baby up and see what happens. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a little drizzle of olive oil, give it some grit. I'm gonna see how it tastes first before adding any salt. Just don't want it to be too salty, you know. Basically, just turn it on. Okay, so I added a little bit more water, about a cup, and a little drizzle of olive oil, some salt, and a touch. Okay, at this point I added about 2¼ cups of water, I did 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and like several generous pinches of salt. It's getting there. Okay guys, so it looks like I'm past my max fill, and I think this is a 9-cup Cuisinart, so whatever. But I'm just going to give it a little taste. You can see the runniness, the consistency. Oh, I just lost my spoon. But, I mean, I think the consistency is really good, and it's going to be so good when we add sausage tomorrow, which I'm very excited about. So tonight I'm just going to put it in a container to really let all the flavors marry together, and then tomorrow we'll add the sausage. And if there needs to be any other flavors, more basil, pesto, whatever, we'll add it. But it's a good one. I'm pretty excited. That's what I did with the tomatoes. Alright, well, I'll be back tomorrow to show you how I turn this baby into a dish, and then I'll probably share the recipe.